Hi guys, I'm still playing with grub. Unfortunately for you guys, this is a video after the fact, right? I was making a video and then something came up and I stopped it. So the grub themes have already been created. I'm just waiting for GitHub to align and I can install it. So what did I do? I went to grub themes and Linux and looked for a nice looking theme. This was down. That was down, lots of things were down, and we went to look for images and we scrolled down to all these so many images, but in the end nothing was actually really well, look, that's ours, and that as well was not downloadable. And at some point in time I said, hey, what do you know, there's this Ubuntu look, and I thought let's download the Ubuntu look, which actually is quite professional, right? And adapt it. So in the downloads is still there, the Ubuntu tar. So I extracted it. Basically it's the /boot/group themes Ubuntu folder. And what I wanted to know is the font, because the font is super critical, and I do know that fonts can be beautiful. I remember using the fonts for Ubuntu font in the Conkeys, right? That's a beautiful font. So how would that look in grub? That's something else, because grub is not that graphical. There are some limitations there. And the design was not that bad either. So I went into Gimp and I changed Ubuntu to ArcoLinux and I made our logo there, and the rest I kept more or less. Same coloring and also a little bit gradient. And what I came up with is, first of all, right, steps, baby steps, always. Data, edu, I created the edu-ubuntu-grub-theme. So boot, grub, themes, Ubuntu. And in there you can have the Ubuntu logo, right? First stop. Now this window where everything comes in, the lines, was too small, was 25 or 30 or something. So I made it 55, that's already a change. That it's inside the theme text. I've made the width to 55, so that's better. From there I said, okay, let's keep this, right? Ubuntu, if somebody wants to fake it and say I have an Ubuntu machine, they can boot up like that. Of course, the first line says boot ArcoLinux. So from there I made another copy paste and I went to the acronym generator, here, and I told him Ubuntu and Arco and combined the letters, and nothing really came out. But I saw some letters here and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take bao, right? That's a very nice thing to eat, bao. So bao it was. We need to give it a name. So basically it's a copy paste of Ubuntu over here and boot, grub, themes, bao. And you change anything. So I've left the XCF or the Photoshop thing, right? I left it in. So this is what I've created with a few layers down here. So okay, this is the look we want to have when we boot up, and I've exported it to a background PNG. Let's open PNGs with Nomax. So this will be our greeting screen within the lines. So that's what I've done until now. Of course, you need to package everything. First, you need to upload everything, and afterwards you make a package build, which I will now update or upload to you guys so you can have a look. Because making this is super easy if you got something to compare. That's what is now fun. If we take this one and that one, what is different? Compare. So the readme install, here we talk about Ubuntu. Here we talk about bao. That's it. Is it? Package build, Ubuntu, bao, Ubuntu. And all is well. So if one package build is created and another package build is created, you can make easily a third one. That said, time to test it because I haven't seen it yet. So we have enough virtual machines, play around. Oh, look at that. So this is the Ubuntu, don't have to show that anymore. So let's go to the bow now. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to the left, update my computer, and then install bow. Yes, it's there. And sudo reboot on real metal. And then we go in here, update is as well super good. All right, looks good. So the real metal machine is already rebooted. Sudo pacman -s edu-bao-grub-theme, and bow is changed. You see it here, bow theme. So if we reboot, how will this look? Remember, virtual machine small, big machine better, but this looks cool. A few things to change and you've got yourself a very, very professional looking grub, right? And then tomorrow you come back and you look at it and say, nah, I'm gonna change this, gonna change that. That's cool, that's all right, that's normal. All right, fun making your own grub themes. Cheers.